I am the end product of thousands of years of evolution. My destiny did not start with my birth. I am Echu Lenu, Otura Osa in Awafakin. And this is my relationship with creation. All nature is a circle of moods. In fact, creation is billions of years ahead of theology, and sometimes people know more than preachers can teach. When we respect and understand the importance of our relationship with nature, we make a better you. In these past days, nature has been preparing everyone for change. Actual facts. Winter comes, winter goes. The sun rises, the sun sets. The moon is full, the moon is dark. The birds arrive, the birds depart. All nature is a circle of moods, and nature is renewing itself daily. During this quarantine, rivers are cleaner, vegetation is growing, the air has less pollution, there's even less crime. In this chain of life, called creation, science tells us that every single cell in our bodies is replaced at least once every 7 years. Think over that. All nature is a circle of moods. And when we're in harmony with nature, we make a better you. Nature can be seen in religion, but nature is independent of religion. Yes, we need our preachers. These are men and women esteemed for their orthodoxy and eloquent ways and styles of explaining the doctrine of a last judgment. But these facts are undisputable. It is written that God talked with man and walked with man. We also know occult studies teach ancient students had a foundation for ascribing to every human by his or her number in the universe. A moment for birth, a moment for death. Consider these facts. We have periods of the month that come in a positive and negative. The table of the planets has numbers and even alphabets assigned to it. Our beliefs and disbeliefs are irrelevant. Creation is way ahead of theology, and our obedience to nature's laws will always be in our best interest. It is written that Christ passed away on a Friday. Now the seventh day, Saturday, is the symbol of Saturn, the last of the 7 creative planets. This planet is a symbol of rest and labor. In 1,001 ways, this study demonstrates the secret of all life may be found in the laws of nature. Nature's laws are the greatest influence for good, more than any book that has ever been written, in my opinion. So let's all be obedient to nature's laws. We can't relive our errors of yesterday. What we do today secures a better future for tomorrow. Solomon asks, "Make me wise unto salvation." Now I ask, do you accept your responsibility to nature?